All right, taking a look at the XBI here. We can see that it landed, well, actually hit and then dropped below this uptrend ray from the June low. So coming up off that, nailed it today. Still ended up above. Angle of attack definitely is to the downside. Still below. You can see the anchored VWAP basically got engaged. I mean, the next day fell, well, landed on it, got rejected the following day, hit here, came close here. Then we have this angle of attack, so that's got 1, 2 contact points. We're coming into some anchored volume. You can see, obviously, you can see all the volume that can be traded at this level. So there should be some solid support here. Trading below the 200-day EMA, not so good. Still trading up off this anchored VWAP from this low, or sorry, that high. So it's another 50-50 shot right here where it could go either way. I mean, I think the volume and the support here is going to hold. I think if I probably looked at most of the charts of the tickers that make up this ETF, I'd probably say most of them are showing a pullback, whereas some of them, probably the larger ones, might be weighing this down. So that could be the situation. I'll have to take a look. RSI is coming up off the bottom. We nailed that a couple days ago. Probably hit it today, but now it's bounced up off it. We could see that the same day that we kind of hit the high here, this is the same day that the RSI trend was reset. We are seeing this lower high, though, set in. So 1, 2, 3. I mean, look at this. 1, 2. I mean, it came real close to it here. My concern is I don't know. I mean, we don't know what's down here. We don't know if there's any downtrend rays here or here. So if it does break this, we might have an issue. And the angle of attack tells me it's probably going to cut through it. Unless tomorrow and the next few days we just get the whole market just keeps her up and then we find a way to break through this this downtrend ray. Still got to get above this anchored VWAP. Really still got to get above this anchored VWAP from the high, which is over 100. No, it's just around 98-ish. It was a good setup. This is another one where you had like a potential cup and handle, right? Comes down, comes up. And if she was able to hold on to, say, 89 area and then ripped and go, I mean, that'd be very bullish. It's possible we have another setup here, which is kind of a double bottom cup and handle. Comes down, double bottoms, comes up. Now, this I was hoping we get one of these where it hits in here, but it came back down and I was concerned. But it basically hit the middle of this formation here. So this low here hit this, and then she just kind of got this higher low set in, and then she finally grinded up above, got above the 200-day EMA. That hit and went, but now we failed. I'd go 50-50. It's kind of got a similar setup here. That's showing weakness. IBB. Double tap this downtrend ray, sold off. Kathy just ruined. Yeah, she just ruined it all. I already looked at this one. Sorry. Yeah, healthcare not looking great. I'm not saying anybody is because if let's go take a look at the SPY here, which is a mess. This is good though, I think, because we're getting the downtrend race from the high. We're getting the down or not. I'm sorry, the anchored VWAPs from the high and from the low, starting to converge, and then hopefully we start to see the lows overtake the highs. We get one of those crossover moments, and then that's where we explode. We are seeing a wedge-ish. So everything's just gonna probably just get tighter and tighter, and it's just gonna become a powder keg, and up or down, something's gonna happen. You got solid bookends with both these anchored anchored volumes here, so it's possible she just bounces around in between basically 413 and 390 for a bit, and then finally picks a direction up or down. We'll see. Anything coming up off this sucker? Not really. Let's see if we have from this guy. Yeah, look at that. Right on it today. So tomorrow, hopefully, we see a bounce. We'll see. So back to XBI, I would say 50-50. Market could help us tomorrow. Kind of looks like everybody else is due for an up day. But there is a lot of space in between where the share prices on those ETFs and healthcare ETFs are and their nearest downtrend ray that could test a potential breakout. So it's possible we see a nice little movement up, but it's all air. Nothing that it's not going to challenge anything big probably tomorrow unless what's tomorrow? Friday? Is tomorrow Friday? Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe actually I should say it because a lot of these guys are hanging out on support of uptrend raise, so it's possible tomorrow we just gap down and then it gets bloody. Who knows? Fun times. Yeah, we'll go with that. Hope that was helpful, and stay healthy.